tensions in the Middle East escalated again when Iran announced it had launched an attack, claiming it targeted a U.S. aircraft carrier in the strategic Gulf and Arabian Sea. This statement immediately garnered global attention, as aircraft carriers are one of the U.S. Navy's greatest symbols of military power. Iranian state media described the operation as a response to increased U.S. military activity in the Middle East. The U.S. military previously denied claims that its aircraft carrier was hit by an Iranian missile, stating that its fleet continues to operate as usual. However, Iran's claim indicates that the military rivalry between the two countries has entered an increasingly dangerous phase. The Strait of Hormuz has once again become a global concern, as it serves as one of the world's most important oil trade routes. The United States continues to strengthen its naval presence to maintain freedom of navigation and protect international trade routes. On the other hand, Iran has asserted its readiness to respond to any action deemed a threat to its national security. Defense analysts assess that U.S. aircraft carriers always operate alongside battle groups consisting of destroyers, cruisers, submarines, and a multi-layered air defense system designed to counter missile and drone threats. Therefore, attacking an aircraft carrier is no simple operation and requires highly complex reconnaissance, tracking, and coordination capabilities. In recent days, reports have indicated an increase in tit-for-tat actions between the two sides in the Middle East, including attacks on military targets and threats to shipping lanes. This situation has raised many countries' concerns about the possibility of a wider regional conflict. Global energy prices have also been affected as market participants worry about disruptions to oil distribution through the Strait of Hormuz. Meanwhile, several strong statements from political leaders of both countries have further emphasized that diplomatic tensions are far from abated. Observers caution that in conflict situations, claims from one party cannot always be taken as fact until verified by independent sources. The circulation of videos and images created using artificial intelligence also requires the public to be more cautious in receiving information regarding war developments. If an attack on an aircraft carrier were indeed carried out, the impact would be significant for regional security and the global economy. However, to date, there is no evidence to confirm that a U.S. aircraft carrier has been destroyed. Diplomats from various countries continue to push for a diplomatic resolution to prevent the conflict from escalating into a wider war. Therefore, although Iran claims to have targeted a U.S. aircraft carrier, the claim that the U.S. carrier was completely destroyed has not been substantiated based on information available from independent sources. Until official verification, this information should be treated as a claim, not a confirmed fact.